Is your iPhone charging way too slow? Here's what you need to know about iOS 18's new charging features. If you've noticed your iPhone taking forever to charge, you're not alone. With iOS 18, Apple has rolled out a powerful new feature that helps you diagnose and fix slow charging issues. It's all in the battery settings, where you can now check your charging speed with a handy visual graph. The lines? They'll tell you everything. Green lines equals normal charging speed. Yellow lines equals charging is a bit slower than usual. Red lines equals oh no, charging is really slow. But don't worry, there's a fix. Let's break down what you can do to get your iPhone charging faster. How to speed up your iPhone's charging. 1. Use the right charger. If you've got an iPhone 15 or later, you need a USB-C power delivery charger paired with a USB-C cable. This combo delivers faster charging speeds. For iPhone 14 or earlier, stick with a USB-C to Lightning cable for the best wired performance. 2. Go MagSafe or Qi 2 for wireless charging. Wireless charging is great, but not all chargers are created equal. If you want fast wireless charging, grab a MagSafe charger or a Qi 2 certified wireless charger. These provide way more power than basic wireless chargers. Why is your iPhone charging so slowly? There are a few reasons your iPhone might be charging slower than it should. Here's what to watch out for. 1. Weak charger. Using a charger under 7.5 W for wired or 10 W for wireless is a major culprit. 2. Heavy apps. Running processor-heavy apps like games, streaming video, or even using the camera while charging can slow things down. 3. Wireless charging problems. If you've got other accessories like headphones plugged in while using a wireless charger, your charging speed drops to 7.5 W. 4. Multiple devices. If you're charging multiple devices at once, like with a 35W dual USB-C port power adapter, the power gets split, and your iPhone gets less power, which means slower charging. 5. USB hubs and car chargers. Charging through a USB hub or your car's USB port usually isn't as fast as using a dedicated charger. How iOS 18 can help. With the new iOS 18 update, Apple's got your back. If it detects that your charging could be faster, you'll see a slow charger notification in the battery settings. This isn't a sign of a problem. It just means you could benefit from a higher wattage charger. Pro tip: disconnect any wired accessories when using a wireless charger, and always use genuine Apple cables and chargers. Cheap. Counterfeit chargers not only slow down your iPhone's charging speed, they could even cause serious damage. So, if you've been wondering why your iPhone is charging at a snail's pace, these tips should help you get back to a speedy charge in no time. Don't forget to check your settings, use the right charger, and avoid those little habits that can drag down the speed. Stay charged up, and thanks for watching.